Let's get started with Ocean Dive. Prepare for a big month of learning and discovery with the sneak peek of April's Ocean Dive theme. See what's in the box, how we're going to use it, and get inspired for a busy month of learning ahead. Let's take a look at the preschool, toddler, and baby kits. In this theme, children will take a journey through the ocean. From the top of the waves to the ocean floor, they will discover many creatures of the sea. Children will blow like a whale, dance with a jellyfish, and count baby seahorses. Here you can see the theme web for the month, including the 4 weekly themes and 20 daily topics. Our themes provide a well-rounded and inclusive study around each topic. Display this poster for the children and families to reference. Through playful learning and games, the following basic concepts will be introduced. The character trait generous, the color blue and triangle shape, letters O, W, and X, numbers 15 and 16, the UG word family, sight words what, am, I, and the pattern A, B, C, C. 4 preschool teacher guides organize your lessons for each week. Our teacher guides are beautiful and user-friendly. They are printed in full color and packed with information and pictures to guide you through each lesson. Every day, participate in circle time, a community challenge, creative art, math, literacy, story time, and music and movement. Your preschool box includes 2 original storybooks, Ocean Animals A to Z, and the Forest Friends book, Birds Berry Bounty. We also provide a suggested book list so you can gather additional theme-related storybooks to enjoy all month long. All the materials you need for circle time and classroom displays will be included in your box. Each day, enjoy music and movement activities. This month's album contains blues and swing-inspired children's music and is available on your favorite streaming platform. Take a look at just a few of the art, math, literacy, social, emotional, and sensory activities planned for this month. There are lots more in the box. Set up these fun STEAM stations for hands-on learning. Look for 20 new STEAM stations each month. Discover a sea of ideas with toddlers. Let's take a look at what's coming up for toddlers this month in Ocean Dive. Basic concepts for toddlers this month include letters O, W, X, number 8, the jellyfish yoga pose, colors blue and brown, the triangle shape, the character trait generous, and 8 sign language words. Here is an example of the group time display board for toddlers. This month's finger play poster features Once I Caught a Fish rhyme. There are 4 toddler teacher guides, one for each week. These 4 storybooks are included. Ocean Animals A to Z features alphabet letters for little fingers to trace, along with ocean animals that coordinate with each letter. Our Ocean Dive Follow the Path book is a photo-based book that introduces concepts of print and new vocabulary to your toddlers. Enjoy the rhyme, Once I Caught a Fish, and get ready for a week filled with counting, games, and art. Birds Berry Bounty is a Forest Friends book that teaches children what being generous means. Toddlers will love moving and singing to the Ocean Dive album and listening to audio stories. All of our music is available on your favorite streaming platform. Toddlers will create daily art projects. Here's a preview of the activities and resources provided in the Ocean Dive toddler theme. Daily activities are ocean themed for babies too, adding interest, new sounds, and experiences to their daily routines. The Experience Baby Infant Curriculum supports relationship based play and discovery all month long. Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum. Don't have your curriculum yet? It's not too late. Order now at experiencecurriculum.com.